Hello everyone of class 8 standard. Today we'll just continue the chapter, that energy chapter. Here today's part is the transformation of energy, that how the energy could be transformed from one form to the other forms. Okay, so uh, that few energy I will tell you from your book only. I will tell you this all the things, and questions are repeatedly asked from this. So many examples will come from here. So today's topic is the transformation of energy. Transformation of energy. Okay, so we all know that one rule is there, that is known as the conservation rule of energy. What is that? That energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, but it can able to change its form. That means one form of energy can be changed to the other form of energy. Suppose you are talking about any type of energy. Heat energy can be changed to the electrical energy. Electrical energy could be changed to the heat energy. Kinetic energy could be changed to the potential energy. Potential energy can also be changed to the kinetic energy. So this is possible. So one form of energy to the other form of energy. This is actually the conservation rule. You won't be able to just create the energy or destroy the energy, but this thing you can do. From one to other side you can easily do. So many examples are given in your book. So these examples one by one from your book I will tell you. Okay, so what are these examples? First one is given, that the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. Okay, so mechanical energy to electrical energy, how can it be possible? Mechanical to electrical. Okay, so mechanical to electrical, if you talk about, then mechanical means what? Here only two things we'll talk: kinetic, potential. Okay, these two things is come in under consideration of the mechanical form of energy. Electrical energy, you know that one, where electricity should be there, flow of electrons should be there. That is the other part. Suppose you are talking about the turbines in the that hydroelectric dams, if you talk about, then there what thing is happening? From a certain storage is there, where water is stored, and when the water is stored, it is having a huge amount of potential energy present on that one. Listen carefully. And when these particular from dam, that water, when it will flow with a very large speed and when it will fall on the turbines, then what you will get? You will get the kinetic energy. So basically mechanical energy, before falling to the turbines, mechanical energy is present on the waters. Okay, then what we are getting? When the turbine will rotate with a very large speed, then this mechanical energy, due to the rotation of the turbine, this mechanical energy will be converted to the electrical energy. So in case of the any type of turbines, if you talk about, then mechanical energy can be changed to the electrical energy. Okay, next one, opposite of that one, that means electrical energy to mechanical energy. Suppose if you talk about, then what type of thing? If you simply consider the rotation of the fan in our house, so many fans are there, home appliances, you can tell this one. So fan, what is happening on that one? Electricity is coming to the fan, and fan is continuously rotating. So electrical energy is just being provided to the fan, and this, due to this electrical energy, mechanical process, that means rotation of the fan is coming up, and due to this rotation you are getting some amount of mechanical energy. So electrical energy to the mechanical energy. Next few examples I am telling you one by one. Next one, heat energy to light energy, or heat energy to electrical energy. Maybe first you talk about electrical energy. Okay, heat to electrical, how can you talk about that? You know that one, while heat to electric, heat, when this term will just come, then one simple thing is just always knocking up in our mind, that is what? That is the solar panel. Okay, if you talk about the solar panel, then what is happening here? From sun, sunlight is coming, falling on the solar panel, and this solar panel is continuously producing the electrical energy. Okay, or electricity you are getting nowadays. Solar panel is very much useful. You all know that this process is happening here. Heat energy to the electrical energy. Clear? Opposite of this one, electrical energy to heat energy, suppose you are talking about, then we all know the name of the electric heater. What is the function of that one? In electric heater, maybe you have seen that one, so many filaments are just connected in this way. So many filaments are there, and two ports are there where you can easily just connect this one through the wires to the electrical supply. So electric current is entering here, and due to this electrical current, when it is entering here, then these filaments are actually just getting up huge amount of heat from the electricity. Okay, so huge amount of electricity, due to the presence of huge amount of electricity, then heat energy is just generated. Okay, and if you place any type of utensils or something else, suppose if you want to just boil some amount of water, you will have to put some utensil in it, you have to pour some water also here, then it will be just giving you the actual function. So what is actually we are getting? Electrical energy is being supplied by the electricity, home appliances, and then we are getting some amount of heat energy from this one. So this is the function of the electric heater, you know that one. Next one, few more examples I am just telling you. Then chemical energy to electrical energy, suppose you are talking about chemical energy to electrical energy, that is very important example, you know that one. Chemical to electrical. So chemical to electrical, while you are talking about, then cell, the battery, this example will just knock in our assumption. Okay, so you know that one, what is actually, this is the function, this is actually the cell or battery. Suppose if you consider this type of thing, then this side is positive side, this side is negative side, here positive side, here negative side. What is actually happening inside the cell? This is the actual the notation, you can tell that one. Actually inside the battery, chemicals are present, and these chemicals are actually doing the chemical reaction, and due to this chemical reaction, some amount of energy will be just generated there, and that energy is coming up in the form of electrical energy. Okay, so electrical chemical energy, from where electrical energy we are getting? We are getting the electrical energy from the chemical reactions. So chemical energy will be just converted to the electrical energy. Okay, so in this way, this is the function. Okay, suppose if you talk about the opposite of this one, electrical energy to chemical energy, suppose if you are talking about, then you have to consider that with the help of electricity, with the help of current, can you do the chemical reaction? So one thing will just always we have to remember for this example, that is the electrolysis process. In electrolysis process, what type of thing is happening? We can easily get H2 from H2O, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. These two things will be possible. We can create this one from by just splitting this one into two ions. That is one is H plus ion, and second one is OH minus ion. So this water is a stable compound, no, so this one will automatically not divided. Okay, it not splitted. How can it will be splitted? If you supply some amount of electricity in the presence of some amount of acidulated water, you know that one, maybe in 7th standard you heard that one. So this is electrolysis process. Due to this one electricity, you can do the chemical reactions. Okay, chemical energy can be just supplied to that one. Next example, that suppose some sound related example I am just telling you. Maybe you have just noticed the microphone in our assembly ground in the school. Also microphone is very much used. So microphone, actually what type of device? Suppose this is the microphone. Okay, in this microphone, okay, this is the actually where we will just talk here, the sound energy will enter here, and through which maybe one loudspeaker is connected with this one. Now what is the actual function? This function is very important. Okay, Now here, while we are talking, while we are just telling something, while you are singing, while we are just maybe you are just doing the recitation or something else you are just doing in front of that one, then what type of thing is coming? Sound energy is entering here, and this sound energy, while it will enter here inside that one, it will be converted by this microphone into electrical energy. Okay, sound energy will not able to pass through the wires. Electrical energy can only able to pass through the wires. Okay, and these electrical energy will come here, and again when it will come in front of this loudspeaker, it will again be converted to the sound energy, and sound energy will come just outside. Okay, so that is the function: sound, electrical, then again sound. Okay, so this is the actual thing. So whatever the example will be required in the exam, you write down this one. Okay, so thank you for today.